Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove top screen cover on HP Pavilion Gaming 15. To disassemble HP Pavilion Gaming 15 you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic tool and tweezers. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. I also recommend using a magnetic mat when you disassembling HP Pavilion Gaming 15 and lay out each screws step by step in the process of disassembling. This is especially true if you decide to completely disassemble this laptop model. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Take a plastic tool and from the top of the case begin to open the cover. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when opening. Disconnect the battery from the laptop motherboard. Now move on to removing the fans. Disconnect all cables from the motherboard and remove all screws. Now you can remove the motherboard from the case. Lift the laptop and open the cover. Next, remove all screws on the hinges. Now the cover with screen can be removed from the housing and replace it.